In this demo, we will showcase the following skills of our virtual agent Clara: user authentication, new plan recommendation and selection, confirm personal information, and the use of image processing techniques for capturing new vehicle details. Depending on how a flow is designed, a single agent may have a wide range of skills, or else a multi-part question could be facilitated with a seamless handoff to bots that are more specifically trained. The previous conversation focused on policy details, but here we see that the user is asking for information about payments. The conversation starts with basic user authentication. Clara recognizes the request and goes immediately into user authentication mode. You'll notice that she's using forms that make the data entry a little more streamlined and user-friendly. It's not uncommon for the user to not know their policy number, so Clara is going to authenticate the information using other data points, in this case, a phone number. And once she has the data she needs, an integration with the policy administration system runs to do some basic user profiling and retrieves the personalized information, noting that in this case, there are multiple policies associated with Mark. She then uses the date picker feature to verify the identity using the date of birth, and is then ready to finally proceed to the actual request, again pulling personalized information as a starting point. In this case, Clara can access personalized payment plan recommendations and presents that back to the user in the form of radio buttons, along with some commentary about the different options. As Mark makes a selection, the selected payment plan is updated in real time. Clara also offers some confirmation details about the first payment and when that would be due. We are also demonstrating omni-channel interaction here, as she offers to send the details to Mark through email within the next 5 minutes. Now Mark is branching the conversation to update a specific policy detail. As he talks about his car, Clara recognizes that this is specific to his auto policy. Here we see another example where the flow incorporates multi-channel interaction. Since we have layered in image recognition capabilities, Mark can actually upload a photo of the VIN of his car, ultimately reducing the risk of human error in data entry. As Clara receives the information, she sends a text to get proactive confirmation that the policy changes have been reflected correctly. When Clara sends the new premium information, Mark has a negative reaction to what she's showing. This bot has been trained using human-centered design techniques such that she can use NLP to understand the customer sentiment and then express empathy for an uncomfortable situation. Here, the resolution is to bring in a human into the loop and transfer the conversation to someone who can help navigate the more complex situation.